If you want to finish your presentation with a clean, professional ending, in this video, I'll show you how to make a conclusion slide in PowerPoint step by step. A strong conclusion slide helps you wrap up your message, remind your audience of the main ideas, and leave a polished final impression. It's a simple slide, but it can make your presentation look much more complete and confident. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the Home tab. From there, click New Slide to add a fresh slide to the end of your deck. When the layout options appear, choose Title and Content. This layout works best because it gives you space for a clear heading and a few short summary points underneath. Now that your new slide is added, click inside the title box and type a heading like Conclusion or Summary. Keep the title simple and easy to understand, so your audience knows immediately that this is the final recap slide. Next, move to the content area and start writing your key points. The goal here is not to repeat your entire presentation word for word. Instead, choose 3 to 5 of the most important ideas you want your audience to remember. For example, if your presentation is about digital marketing, you could write something like, digital marketing is important, social media increases reach, and SEO improves visibility. These short points should act as a quick recap of your main message. Try to keep each point concise, clear, and focused. If the slide feels too crowded, shorten the text even more so it's easy to read during your presentation. Once your key points are in place, add a closing line at the bottom of the slide. This is where you can write something simple and professional like "thank you" or "any questions." This closing message helps signal that your presentation is ending and invites your audience to respond if needed. You can also make this line a little larger or bold so it stands out nicely from the rest of the slide. If you want, you can also adjust the design slightly to make the conclusion slide look more polished. For example, you might use a clean background, match your presentation theme colors, or add a small icon to keep the slide visually balanced. But even without extra design work, a well-structured conclusion slide will still do its job very effectively. The most important thing is to keep it simple, readable, and focused on the final takeaway. So to quickly recap, you add a new slide. Choose the title and content layout, type your conclusion heading, add 3 to 5 key points from your presentation, and finish with a closing line like "thank you" or "any questions." That's all it takes to create a strong ending slide in PowerPoint. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next PowerPoint walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.